Sponty trip again. Ang original plan, mag-jog lang sana. Pero ayun, biglang diretso to Kalambabayan. Napadpad kami dito sa Kalye 12, open sila 24/7, resto and grill and super chill ng vibe. Vintage inspired yung place, feels like an old school tambayan. For their menu, super loaded. Pasta, snacks, pares, mami, chicken wings, pulutan, coffee, toast, pwede kahit anong oras ka gutumin. So, pause nyo lang to see the menu ng maayos. Nag-order kami dito ng onion rings. Medyo oily lang siya pero ang sarap ng breading niya. Tapos, nag-order din kami ng Italian pasta with 6 pieces chicken wings. Pwedeng 2 flavors. All that for $1.99. Sulit na din. So, for drinks, syempre, zesto tayo. Very classic. Overall, the food was good and affordable. Al dente yung pasta, so plus 10 points for me as a pasta lover. After that, dumaan kami sa bahay ni Rizal. As in, literal na padaan lang. Walang entrance fee dito. Pinush na namin kahit wala pa kaming ligo. To cap it off, mas masaya talaga minsan kapag walang plano. Kung saan maisip, lakad agad. Till our next biglaang lakwatsa. Bye!